Hey, welcome back to Stupid Apple Rumors. Today we're going to discuss how to install and play Steam games on a Mac. In order to play Steam games on your Mac, you will need to download the Steam app from the official Steam website. Proceed to tap on the download button and wait for the DMG file to download. Go ahead and double-click on the downloaded file and install the Steam application. Once the app loads, log into your registered Steam account and then proceed to browse through their current game selection. Find a game you like and then tap on the download button on the game page. In my case, I've already downloaded Counter-Strike for this example, which is why you can't see any download button. Once the game has installed, click on the play button and wait for it to boot. You may experience a little lag, but that depends on which Mac you are using to play the game on. That's all there is to it. Easy and simple, right? For more, stay tuned to Stupid Apple Rumors. Remember to like and subscribe for more great content.